It's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, So this is going to be a nail video. I am actually trying out, I'm going to do a manicure like a regular mani. And I'm not going to necessarily show you guys how to do the nails because it is just a regular mani. But I am going to show you these Born Pretty gel nail polishes that were sent to me. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to swatch them on these nails right here so you can see all the colors and all that, and then we'll decide what color we're going to do for our mani, and we're going to try out the colors and all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you want to see, make sure you continue to watch. But before we get into it, again, like I said, my name is Reese LaFleur. If you're new here, this is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. Hair, nails, makeup, fashion, clothes, all of that good stuff. That's what you're going to find here on that channel if that's something that you're interested in. So go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you're notified. Make sure that you thumbs up this video, kiss that like button, and comment down below and share this video with a friend or two or three or four or five or everyone. Period. Alright, you guys, we're going to get right into the goods. Okay, so we're gonna hop right in onto it. Okay, so like I said, this is from Born Pretty. These products are actually sold via Amazon, and it comes with 6 different colors. It doesn't come with a top coat or a base coat with this package. I believe it is, don't lie to you guys. I want to tell you guys exactly how much it is via Amazon, and it is, I'll actually link it down in the excuse me, I'll actually link it down in the description box, but I believe the set is like $20, $19 or something like that, $20 with tax, so it's not expensive at all. Like I said, this is how they come, and here are all of the colors that come in this set. I believe I got the Normandy set. I believe that's what you call it. So I'm just going to grab a few of these. I just want to show you guys what each color looks like. Right, so here, this color is called Gray Gel. Look, I'm lying. I lied to y'all. Okay, so this is called Sober. Gray Gel. What am I talking about? So some of these actually don't have names on the bottom because I'm guessing because the little pieces are falling off. How it looks. And I'm just going to paint over. Of course, I don't have any top coat. I just want you guys to see the color. I think that's kind of pretty. I think that's pretty. I'm actually going to put 2 colors on each nail. I ain't about to waste my nails. And then this one, I'm not sure the color, but it looks a little like dark mauve, like a mauve color. So I'm going to show you on the other side of the same nail how that looks. Can you see that pink? It's really pretty. So we did it's like a mauvey pink. That's really cute. I think I might use that color. I'm not too sure. This one is called Brick Sheer, I believe. This is what was sticking to the side of it. So let's see if this, I don't know if it's the right color. This is similar to the other gray, but it has more of like a pinky to it. I can't explain what I mean. I'm confused because I thought I bought white, but I don't think there's white in this set. I thought I picked the one. Oh, maybe this is the white right here. Because you gotta have white. This is called Day. I think this is the white. Yeah, this is the white. And I would definitely this is just for my toes. Cause I don't usually put white on my fingers. But everybody knows, everybody always has white toes. Like, who doesn't have white toes? You know, one thing I like about them, I love the way they paint. They paint really nicely. You can see that it's very white. Very white, you guys. 4 colors. I have 2 more colors to show you. I'm going to grab one more nail. I think the gel polishes are just like with when you're using poly gel. It won't dry until it's cured, I believe. I could be making that totally up though. But I think that's the same thing with gel. That it doesn't dry until it's cured. I'm sorry I keep looking down, you guys. I'm just trying to look at what I'm doing and film for you guys. I probably should have swatched these already. Ooh, look at that. It's like a gold. What is this called? I don't know what it's called though. Alright, so this is like a sheer gold. That's really pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay. I don't know what color to use now. Like, I'm so confused. I really like that mauve, but this is a baby pink. And we love baby pink. So I might do the clear glitter with one nail with the baby pink. Yes, hunty chow, hunty chow. I think I might use those two colors for my nails right now. So I'm just doing a regular mani, you guys. I don't want to give too much, okay? I don't want to do too much. I don't want to give too much today. I'm going to keep my nails manied for a few days because I genuinely am going to do a set, which I think I might film that next set. I haven't filmed a polygel long set in a minute because I've been wearing short nails for several reasons. So I'm going to do a set for you guys, and I think I'm going to film that set. But this is not going to be necessarily a filming. This is just going to be me kind of like showing you guys how each like layer looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by doing my cuticles and buffing my nails off camera, and I'll be right back. I'll probably already put the base gel on so I can just show you guys like painting, you know, like in real life how the color comes on. Okay, so we'll be right back. I already did one hand. I did the light pink, and I just put the gold sparkles on top just to do something cute. I'm gonna be honest, I've never been good at painting nails, especially since I use my left hand. So I did this hand first, and I decided to do the the left hand on camera since I am mostly right-handed. I'm really sloppy when I do my painting. I've never been that great at it, even just in general. I don't even know how I'm good at polygel, because this is hard. I don't know why. So here is the pink that we're using. I've already put the base gel on. I have my LED lamp and all of that good stuff here already. Goes on. I am very sloppy, like I said. So I'm just going to clean off the pieces where I can clean off. Child, look how I messed that up. We're just gonna go straight through, and then I'm gonna I could do so many other things with my hands, but as soon as it's time to paint, it's a problem. As soon as it's time to paint my nails, I could paint, I can even draw, I could do landscape, but as soon as it's time to paint my nails, it's a disaster. I don't even know why that is. Am I the only person that's like that? So I'm gonna go ahead and cure. You can't see the machine, but I'm gonna go ahead and cure. It takes about a minute. We're nice and cured for the first layer. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. What did I do? Ain't nobody gonna see this besides y'all. So a lot of people are gonna see this. Oh my gosh. I wish I could paint nails better. That's the second coat. Okay, second coat is on. Look at that nail. Like, I feel like I'm too far and I don't even want to get y'all close. But we're going to be right back because we're going to cure this and we're going to come right back. Second coat, the second layer is already dry. So all you got to do now is just throw on the, I'm going to close this one. This is the pink that I was just using. All you got to do now is just throw the gold on and then cure it again. And this is actually super fast. Like, it's taking me like no time to do this. As, you know, like neat, I guess. I don't know. I like the little gold on top of the pink. It's really cute. This is something that I will put like on a little girl's fingers, like a 7-year-old, I don't know, 8-year-old, I don't know. Alright, so that's third layer, which is the gold layers cured. So I'm just going to go with the top it off. This is from my Macart set for my poly gel. This is a gel top coat, and I use the base gel for the base. That comes from the Macart set. And I'm just going to basically go over every nail, curing it. Hey guys, so I just cured the last bit of the nails. This is how they came out. I mean, I love the nail polish. It took only one 60-second cure for each layer. That's amazing. The nails are dry immediately. That's why I love gel nails. You don't gotta wait for the drying and all of that. It goes right on. This is how they came out. Don't judge me judging me, because I'm gonna just clean them up a little bit, because I gotta clean them up. But other than that, I really like how they came out, you guys. These so yeah, I do love them so much. Make sure you check out the link that's in my bio if you want to see or buy or any of these colors. They have a bunch of colors, a bunch of sets, and the sets always come with 6 polishes. So make sure you check that in the description box below. This is the Born Pretty from the Born Pretty store via Amazon, okay? So make sure you check them out. And without further ado, we're done with the video. I'm totally joking. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure that you join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.